Guess what came in the package? We got the NZXT, Newegg, Amazon. We got everything. So this is going to be a brand new computer build, but not for me, for a special someone. My friend is coming today in about an hour, and we're gonna build that today. Camera POV. Motherboard is surprisingly heavy for what it is. This is the Tough King B550 Plus Wi-Fi Crucial P3. Nerd. This is a Gen 3 NVMe. I got 2 terabytes, so they never have a problem with this computer ever again. And I got some Vengeance 3600 megahertz of RAM. So this is a $750 PC build going on my YouTube channel. Yeah. That's good. How's it? Is it showing everything? This is the 5700G. This is a gaming APU, which means it has graphics card.
Oh, no graphics card.
Vega 8. It has Vega 8 graphics in here. Hyper 212 Evo. This is a tip. Don't throw out the shit that's inside. You're gonna need it.
Got that?
Yeah, I'm putting it.
Don't throw it out.
This is the motherboard. Before I touch it, touch a metal or anything to ground yourself. That's a tip.
I have to like pull this out.
Pick it up. Pick it up. You want to help? Pick it up.
Bro, I can't.
You got to use your.
Take it out.
Is this a new one? Yeah, it is. Oh. Yeah, break it.
Oh my goodness.
That scared the shit out of me.
Wait, what? Alex, what the fuck?
Should I show the inside?
Why is it coming from the inside?
Hold
What is this? Hold up.
I don't get it.
What is that? This is like directing the cooling into the thing.
I don't like that. It comes from here.
This is a chip. These are gold pins, by the way. Gold, real gold, by the way. Ryzen 5700G. Little gold thing here. Just put it, match it with
Put a CPU in.
Okay.
Dang, y'all gonna take an
What
hour
size?
trying to figure this out. Just screw it in.
I use it.
Yo!
Calm down. So jealous.
That might have broke something.
What are you doing, bro? Why is it so difficult for you?
Because it's like
me
the
this shit.
size of your freaking.
What?
Nothing. Oh, what's up?
Last time I came to your house, the stuff came with the computer. Did you build it yet?
Build what? The computer?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm waiting for the stuff to come in.
Oh, I thought it came.
Yeah, there's one more thing that needs to come. Maybe this week, maybe it's tomorrow or after tomorrow is gonna come. And then I'll come to your house and I'll build it with you.
Okay, bye.
That was him. Yeah, from the top like this.
No, yo, I'm pretty sure.
Like this. So what you do is put it in. Just showing on the video. Yeah, it would have to be an angle. I'm so stupid. Okay, this part is the CPU cooler installation. They provided the cooler master one. You gotta put it like a little dot.
Make it like cute. Fucking hate these screws. It has like a coil, Huyet's mechanism.
Needs light or whatever. Here's the Seasonic Focus.
Yo, I need input much. Hello.
Motherfucker, 1 missing, 2 missing, 3 missing. I'm surprised it was holding up.
Yo, I missed more than I thought. Because the shit wasn't screwing in. Alright, that one good. Alright, I'll do this one and we good.
Cable management. Not that any of this matters, honestly.
Of course it doesn't matter. This kid's literally sleeping. He's never gonna like look at any of this shit.
Yummy.
Alright, yo. Let's plug this motherfucker in. We're testing.
Come on. Hey.
Why?
Alright.
Oh!
Oh my god. Press the button. Woo!
Look at one. Bro!
Light, fan,
Beautiful.
fan.
They're all working.
That's all we
Light,
get?
yellow. Now it's gonna blow up, right? Any second?
I'm in. Is that?
Nah. Ribonucleotide. What the fuck, bro? Bro, I'm gonna be a superhuman if I eat this bullshit, bro. Bro, and the worst part, 560 calories, 14 grams of protein.
14 grams?
That's fucking awful.
From where?
From the fucking...
That's literally noodles in there.
He's gonna eat that for the rest of his life.
Bro, from the disodium Guantanamo Bay, fucking disodium 5. What the fuck, bro?
What?
High fructose corn syrup?
I have 14 grams of protein? I should eat that shit every day. But I had no idea. I thought it was just
Bro,
noodles.
if I take a shit, it's gonna be 14 grams of protein.
Okay, I downloaded the USB 11 and now we put it in here. Memory, I gotta set it to XMP for 3600. I changed up the settings and now it's showing at 3600 close enough. This is the boot and we wait. Next, and that's it. And it's gonna do it. Now I'm downloading him Overwatch 2. Come on, bro. Oh god, this fucking monkey, bro. Monkey. I'm getting 150 FPS. But it looks so blurry. Okay, it looks much better. It's getting 76 FPS. I got him Fall Guys and Fortnite. They're all free. And I'm gonna go in, change all the settings for Fortnite, make it performance settings, and Overwatch, I'll make it performance settings as well. And then I'll, he has 3 games, that should be plenty. What's going on, guys? This week is a special day because I got a job. Like I said I would for the past year. But I finally got a job that I think fits my schedule because I get to choose my schedule however I want, whenever I want. The flexibility of it is insane. That way I can work whenever, make money whenever I'm free, and then grind when I have to grind. That way I'm always grinding 24/7 because I want to fuel, I want to be able to fund my future plans, projects, anything. First, I'll start off by building a new computer. Just like the previous video where I did build a computer. It's gonna be grandiose at an extreme level. Extremely expensive parts, best of the best, future proofing. That computer better last me 10 years. I'm gonna go insane. After that, then I'll buy a new camera. You guys will see the quality improve tremendously. And that is my plan. Kids to make you feel alright. I'm just so tired. Just share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love, but all my tears have been used up. That have been used up. I'm breaking the news to everybody. I got a girl. I'm from nowhere. Know that you find me here. The light will never stop shining. Something on my lungs. Yeah. And I think she might be the one. I don't know. I think she might be the one. We're just gonna have to wait and see. I don't want to jinx it. Me and my friends have got into this game called Lethal Company. This game. We have this thing called V40 mod or whatever. You could have a bigger lobby with other people. And we could have like 10, 15 people, up to 16. And everyone's screaming and yelling when the monsters are chasing. It's low-key fun, I'm not gonna lie. And of course I get a notification. Boja is playing CSGO at, notice the time, 8 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, this kid is playing CSGO. This is the definition of mental illness and it needs to be studied.
Qayerga kirdingiz? Qaysiga?
Mana uyimda o'ldi, shuna yaxshi
Hozir
Today is Christmas. My mom's speaking over me. Today's New Year's. This is our Christmas tree. Don't worry, we are Muslim. Don't worry, we're Muslim. Don't worry. Don't worry, we're Muslim. 100% Muslim. Muslim, by
No,
the way.
I put that as a joke.
I found this good song. I've been listening to it for 40 times now on repeat.
Wait, are you lying or for
No,
real?
it's the same.
I think this one.
This is the nutcracker we have. Just kidding. This is our table. It looks less right now, but that's because we haven't put stuff on it. Yeah. It's New Year's Eve. I took a picture and I'll do a comparison of me last year versus this year. It was a tremendous growth physically, mentally, spiritually.
Guys are coming.
everythingly. In every single department, I leveled up to level 15 out of 99.
Ого. С Новым годом, с новым счастьем. Спасибо, мой сыночек мой. Золотой мой.
Это мехропа.
Сыночек. С Новым годом.
Şöyle şöyle yaptım.
Bizga chiroyli ovqat pishirdi. Bitta ot Aymenjon tan ol. Молодец. Katta rahmat senga.
My room. I updated my room. I got this new thing. I got a new thing that came in. This is my new curtain thingy, metal, that I'm gonna hang up here, and I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna take it away. Just like that one, but just a different one. I've been scent maxing. Look at this. Giorgio Armani. Profondo. So yeah, right now I smell good. You guys can't tell because you just can't. But I smell delicious. Like a snack.
Hi YouTube.
If you do not drop a like and subscribe, a launched hypersonic missile will continue on its course to your house. You have 10 seconds to save yourself. Act wisely.